Keep up meaning number 3, to maintain something or manage ongoing activity. Imagine a restaurant becomes extremely popular. Customers keep coming in all day. The manager says, "We can barely keep up with the orders." In this situation, keep up means to maintain something or to manage something that keeps happening. Some other examples are, the company can't keep up with the demand, or we're trying to keep up with customer orders. The hospital struggled to keep up with patients. It's hard to keep up with all the emails. This meaning also includes maintaining habits or routines. For example, it's hard to keep up a healthy routine. She's trying to keep up her exercise habits. You need to keep up your English practice. He struggled to keep up the pace. Here, the idea is continuing something at the same level. Here's a quick note about the structure that you want to follow. We're going to say keep up with, and then either have a person or a thing. For example, I can't keep up with him. Or it's hard to keep up with technology. We can't keep up with demand. Now, let's work on the pronunciation. Repeat after me. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up with. Keep up with. Keep up with. For more help with phrasal verbs in English, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist.